I just finished teaching my Zoom workout class, so I'm a little bit sweaty and a little messy, but I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this summer citrus quinoa salad, and I wanna show you how to make it. It's so simple, so easy. There's that chihuahua. Light, delicious, high in protein, high in fiber, and it has that citrus oil-free vinaigrette that I think you're gonna love. I absolutely love it. So let's get going. So we're going to start with our vinaigrette. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of lime juice or quarter cup. You could use fresh squeezed. I just happen to have some organic lime juice. And to that, we're adding 2 tablespoons of orange juice. You could use fresh squeezed if you prefer, but I had orange juice on hand. We're going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. You could use date syrup if you prefer. You could increase or decrease this as you prefer. It just helps sweeten the tartness from the lime juice. We're also going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. That helps the citrus dressing cling to the vegetables and to the quinoa. And we're adding a hint of ginger powder and a couple of twists of white pepper. You could use black pepper, whatever seasonings you prefer. This is what I like to have in my vinaigrette. We're going to shake that, stir it up, and set it aside. So we're going to start making our quinoa salad. I have 2 cups of cooked quinoa. I just made it in the Instant Pot. It takes 1 minute of high pressure and 10-minute natural release, and you have fantastic quinoa. To that, I'm adding thawed fire roasted corn and thawed organic peas. And don't worry about writing the recipe down. I have it in the description below, so you can check that out after the video. And we're adding in drained and rinsed garbanzo beans or chickpeas, whatever you want to call it. You can use your favorite bean. I'm adding in chopped onion, chopped bell pepper, chopped tomatoes, whatever you have that you enjoy. You could add cucumber, zucchini, lupini beans, whatever your favorite vegetables are. Just keep in mind that citrus vinaigrette and think about the vegetables that would go well with that. So we're just going to toss this all together, and we're going to pour that citrus vinaigrette over. And the longer this sets, the better it gets. You could even double your vinaigrette recipe if you really want it saturated. But if you just want that light bit of flavoring, I would say stick with the amounts that I've written for the recipe. But it's your choice. This salad will last several days in the refrigerator. It's great to have on hand for a really quick lunch, a quick dinner. You could add more protein to it if you wanted. Okay, so one of the reasons I love this salad so much is that you can make it your own. Typically, I like to add organic edamame. I didn't have any, so I had organic peas. So I replaced some of the protein with that. I'm probably going to steam and bake a little bit of tempeh to go in it as well, just to boost the protein. But you don't have to. Make it as simple as you need to make it. And I added a few mandarin oranges because it just goes so well with that citrus vinaigrette. And I'm gonna sit down and eat this and enjoy it. And if you enjoy recipes like this and you wanna get back to the way God intended in Genesis 1:29, I have a free starter guide. It's in the link below. And like and subscribe, and I'll share more recipes like this with you.